Greetings everyone, it's Cain here. Welcome to my video. Just want to wish you all a Merry Christmas. And in this video, I'm going to be showing you guys some of my Christmas presents. Now, I got this really cool book. It's called Weird, Scary, and Unusual. Haunted Histories and Mind-Blowing Mysteries. Now, what this book reminds me of is The Book of the Bizarre and Beyond Bizarre. I believe the author was Varla. Anyway, she makes good books. That's what this book reminds me of. So I love weird, haunted, unusual things. You know, you can't go wrong with a good book. You know, it's a good way to spend some time and just unwind and relax. I always look forward to books, especially ones that I have an interest in. Anyway, I also got this. This is a car window sunshade. Now, I got this mainly to protect myself from mosquitoes while hanging out in the car. What this does is, you guys can't really see, but you open the car door and you put the net over the window so you can roll your window down so insects, specifically mosquitoes, won't get in. So this is one thing I specifically asked for. Pretty cool. Glad I got it. Now I also got a tripod stand. As you can see, I got two little lights on me right now. LED lights. That's pretty cool. This will make going live, my live streams, you know, a lot better, higher quality. The tripod stand's really cool. It's also a selfie stick. I think I lost the box. Let me show you guys the box real quick. Show you what I got, because I don't want to take it off this tripod stand because it's kind of a pain in the ass. So this is the one I got. LED lights. Comes with a little cord to charge the lights. This one needs a little bit of juice. I could tell. Ooh, look at that one. So yeah, it looks like you have to charge each side individually because I just charged this side. Anyway, it's great. Check that out. All right, everyone. Well, I hope you had a great day. I enjoyed some great food, some homemade cookies. Pretty much just unwind today, relaxed. Got some much needed rest. And yeah, Merry Christmas, everyone. Hope you all have a great day. Got all your things you wanted. Ate some good food. And that's pretty much all I have to say. Now, I got a couple more presents. I'm not going to show everything. I got some cologne. I got a cool t-shirt, a Beavis and Butthead t-shirt. I also got some socks. I really needed socks. My girlfriend's corgi keeps eating them. So, very grateful I got some socks. Nice quality socks, too. Let me just show you guys real quick. I'll be right back. Might as well. So these are the socks I got. Pretty nice colors too. I got some beige, black, gray ones. Yeah, I'm always grateful for things I get, because I always put them to good use, you know, and especially books, you know. They're just great. I'm very grateful. What else can I say? I feel like I should say more. I just can't believe it's the end of 2022. I still remember like it was yesterday when I just bought my new car. Or New Year's. It's fascinating. This year flew by the fastest out of all my years being alive. Now, I think that's because I've been having the most fun this year. I've actually been more adventurous on, just doing what I want, which is why I think I just flew by. Enjoy your time, guys. Get loved ones some good gifts. I hope you guys did. It's always better to give than to receive. Yeah, grateful for you all, for anyone watching that is close to me. Very grateful for you. Thank you. Leave a comment, subscribe. That's all I got to say, guys. Thank you.